Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I will be showing you all the channels that are supposed to be working on your package, on your DSTV decoder. Alright, so maybe you have been placing it on a different channel which is not part of your package and it's not displaying pictures. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and then you press on the blue button on it, which is the DSTV logo. You can press on the TV guide, which will take you to the menu, which is a shortcut to the menu. But you press on the blue logo, which will actually give you a step-by-step guide to where exactly you need to be. So you press on the blue logo or the DSTV logo, and then on the DSTV menu, use the arrow left and right keys and then change it to planner. So you find planner here and then you come down to the second option, which is the TV guide. You press OK on it and then you press the arrow left and right key, you move it to my DSTV channel. So this menu is supposed to show all the channels that will be available on your package. This decoder doesn't have any subscription at the moment, so you press OK on it and it's going to display those channels that are supposed to be available on your package. If it's an Access, Family, Compact Plus, or any other package that you are using, all the channels will be listed here. So you search through it and then anytime that you need to place it on it, you know that definitely it's supposed to be working. If it's not working, then it's either an external problem or there is an other problem with that channel. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.